Turns out this common is actually hooked to B. That B does not, it is blue, but in this setting, that's for a reversing valve, not a common. So it's just in the wrong spot. We're gonna do away with it, use the batteries and the thermostat, we should be okay. Alright, we've got all of our wires hooked back up. We're fixing to throw the power back to it. Looky there, fuse didn't pop. See if this old heat comes on. Oh, looky there. This draft motor. That's going to close the pressure switch. When the pressure switch closes, the HSI come on. Let's get over here where y'all can see this. There's the HSI. Burners. Yeah, that was pretty simple, but anytime you have a low voltage short, that's your process. Just unwire the low voltage going to the board and start going back wire by wire, starting with your power, your red, and then you come in and go from there. And luckily we found it on the, the second wire, which was that common, because it shouldn't even been hooked up in this situation, so it was hooked to the wrong spot. Alright, that's it, guys. Remember, you can call me anytime, message me. I mean, if you have a number, you can call me. Message me anytime you have questions. Thanks.